All right. Thank you so much for joining the today's masterclass organized by Ellipse Education. Uh, During the masterclass, if my voice is not clear or if my screen is not visible, please inform in the chat. We are regularly checking the chat. So let's start the masterclass, right? So before we start, let me take you through the Education Ellipse website first of all, so that you know about us, you know about me, and you know about the tutor. So in Education Ellipse, we provide the training from the mentors who are currently working in the industry, right? So I am Abhishek Agarwal and I will be the host of today's masterclass. I am a Azure data engineer having 8 years of Azure data engineering experience, and I provide all the training related to Azure background, right? So that is what I do. And with me, Khan sir will be assisting us, right? And he will be the tutor of the Python bootcamp, which will go for 3 months, right? He will teach you Python from the scratch, and he is a own Python developer having extensive 15 years of experience into IT background, right? Taught 3,000 students till now from and done MTech in AI and ML from IIT Patna, right? And he will be the tutor of the Python bootcamp, and I am assisting here to organize the overall bootcamp, right? So as I told, in Education Ellipse, we provide the training from the mentors who are currently working in the industry, right? So we don't take any mentor who are a full-time trainer. We just take only the tutor who are a working professional, so that they give you a real-time exposure how the work goes in real-time company, right? And then, as I told, that you will be working from the mentors who are currently working in the industry, right? And then we provide a personalized learning. So based upon your profile, we'll understand your profile, and then we will guide you till the time you get a job, you learn Python, you switch your background, you get a job, or you do the skill enhancement and you deliver project. We will make you capable enough, right? So we'll understand your profile and then we will help you accordingly. We will provide you the training from the mentor who are working in the industry. We will make you job ready. So we will not only provide you the training, we will basically guide you in a way so that you are job ready, right? So we will help you in the interview question. We will help you in resume building. We will help you to crack the interview as well, right? So we will help you end to end, and we will be there with you till the time you get a job, right? And we have a 7-day refund policy as well. So if you're not satisfied with our training, you can come back to us and get a refund in 7 days, because I understand few of you have joined like virtually. So, and then you don't know us till now, right? So this is the first time you're meeting us, right? So we are basically giving you that kind of a comfort. We are giving you 7-day refund policy as well. So if you're not satisfied with the training, you can come back to us and get a refund in 7 days, right? Then we have a price match policy as well. So if you get a similar training like a Python training in this much amount of price, in less of a price anywhere in the market, you come back to us and also we will match the price, right? So, but we are in this particular industry from past 2 to 3 years now. So we do extensive market research whenever we are deciding the price of any of our courses. But if you get the course in lower price anywhere in the market, you come back to us and get a refund, right? Then, as I told you, that we have a different trainings, right? So we have a Azure data engineering training, AWS training, Azure training taken by me, AWS training taken by Vail Murugan, Snowflake training, MS SQL, Python training taken by Khan sir, Power BI training, Fabric training, right? And then Snowflake AWS training, right? We have this training, and then we have a recorded material as well. So if you guys want to learn fast track, if you want to basically learn while you're traveling, right? If your timing is not matching or anything of that sort, we have a recorded material as well, which you can take and learn from that, right? That also we have it. Now you can check out the reviews over here. You can check out the video reviews over here, right? That you can do. Now let's go to our Python landing page so that you understand what we provide in the masterclass, today's masterclass, right? So in the today's masterclass, the people who joined today, the 100 people who joined today, we will make sure that for all of you, the roadmap to learn Python from the scratch, it's very, very clear, right? how to use Python for data and for data analysis, it's very, very clear for all of you. So we will make sure that in the today's masterclass, no matter from which profile you are, we will make sure that you understand how to learn Python for the data analysis, right? That will make sure, and you can understand the roadmap. So your agenda for attending this today's masterclass is to make sure that you are able to utilize the time to understand based your profile how you can learn Python and become a data professional who can analyze data by using Python, right? That should be your motto. So the masterclass will go roughly about 1.5 hour to 2 hour, right? And then our students, by doing the our training, got placed in different companies: Deloitte, KPMG, Tiger Analytics, Quantify. So you can also do it. Today we will understand what is programming, what is why the learning Python is important, how much Python you should learn to switch your career, right? And what are the salary you can target, right? And we will give you some interview tips, and then you can also basically discuss this. If you have any question, you can also talk to our trainer Khan sir, and then you can clarify your doubt, right? Now we will basically provide you the project-based learning, will help you in real-time projects, right? And then you will learn from the mentors who is currently working in the industry. We will teach you everything from scratch. So if you are from sales background, marketing background, any background, it doesn't matter. We'll teach you Python from the scratch, right? And by doing this course only, right? By doing only the Python course, you can target up to 10 LPA package in the market, right? You can go and target that. Now, suppose somebody is here who is already earning 15 to 20 LP or something like that, right? This particular training will help you to enhance your profile by learning Python, right? That will help you. And then why to choose us, will provide a personalized learning from the trainer who is working in the industry. Will provide a 7-day refund policy, right? And then we have a price match policy. You can download the syllabus from here. You can go and download the syllabus from here. You can check out what we are providing in this particular training, right? That you can go through and check out that. And then you can understand about cancer from here, right? You can check out the reviews over here. We will also give the certification after doing this course, right? This training will go for 3 months. It's an extensive Python training, right? And then the price of the live course is 6,000 rupees, and then recording is 3,000 rupees, right? So you can check out the price as well over here, right? And then let me give you the details of the Python training, right? So the Python training, the batch of the Python training, right, will start from 22nd of November, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. IST will be the timing. It will go for 3 months. There is no prerequisite to attend this particular batch. We are only taking 30 students. We are already done with 15 to 20 students already enrolled. So, right, we are just looking for 10 students now, 10 to 15 students. And today in the master class, 100 people joined and it's full, right? Nobody are able to join now. So it's very, very important you enroll soon if you are interested for the course. So go through the master class together with the Khan sir, understand the syllabus, understand everything, right? And if you are satisfied with the training, if you're satisfied with everything, right, you can enroll as soon as possible, right? And then the course fees is 6,000 rupees. If you want the recording, it's 3,000 rupees. The only difference between live and recording is in the live you can attend the classes live, it gives you the flow. In recording you just get the recording, and this is a syllabus of it, right? And then basically we'll help you with everything, right? We'll help you with mock interview preparation. We will help you to understand how to basically uh, gain um, we will also give a data analyst project to you so that it's basically clear for you that hey, how to uh, clear the interview as well by using the project, right? So that the recording will be also given to you. We will help you in the resume preparation, mock interview. We will give you the data analyst project, 5 to 6 hours of recording, so that you can understand how to clear the data analyst interview, right? So it means that we will help you end to end. We will teach you Python for 3 months. We will help you in the interview preparation, mock interview. We will give you the project which you can write in your resume, and it's a 30 students only batch size, right? And then live course fees is 6,000 rupees, recording course is 3,000 rupees. Now the people who are here for the course can enroll for the course, right, after understanding all the syllabus. And the people who are here to understand how to approach Python can also utilize the today's masterclass to understand how to approach Python and how to learn Python, right? That also you can understand, right? All right. So now I will give the hand over to Khan sir. He will take you through overall syllabus which he has designed for all of you guys. So you can understand the syllabus, you can understand any doubts if you have, and also he will explain based upon your profile how you can learn Python from the scratch, right? And then if you're interested to join the course, you can join the course. And if you're not interested to join the course, if you're exploring right now, you can also utilize today's masterclass to understand how you can basically learn Python, right? That also you can understand. Okay, so let me give the handover to Khan sir, and then he will take you through the course curriculum which he has designed for all of you guys, right? Give me a moment. सर ज्वाइन कर ली क्या आप? हाँ ठीक है. All right, sir. I think you can share your screen and unmute yourself and
Yeah, sure.
start.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks, Abhishek. So fine, let me share my screen. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Will you please confirm? Okay. So maybe my name will be coming as Rajesh Kumar. I have used my colleague credential. There was issue with my credential. So hi all. Good morning and good evening. So welcome to this Python training course. So already Abhishek has introduced me. So this is the syllabus which we'll be covering in this course. Can you please confirm everyone, is my screen visible? Maybe in the chat box you can confirm. Can you see my screen? Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot. Let me zoom this a little bit. So this is the syllabus which will be covering. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So this is the syllabus which we'll be covering in this course, and obviously it will start from scratch. No prerequisite is needed for this course. We'll start from the very scratch. Even if you don't know anything about the programming world or Python, that's fine. Okay. Just what we need from you is a strong commitment to attend the class regularly on a daily basis. Okay. And after each and every class, recording will be shared and assignment will be shared with you. Okay. So we'll start with the core or the base Python concepts like the print statement, input statement, and different indentation rules. Okay. So if you don't know the indentation rules, so many a times it happens, you will get error message and you will not understand like where exactly you are committing mistakes. Okay. And then the different basic commands which you have in Python, and then the conditional statements like if else and all those things. The different types of operators which we have in Python that will be covered. Then we will move to data structure. Data structure will discuss list, tuple, set, dictionary in detail. And all these things will be from real-time project perspective, okay, on which we have worked for a long time. So everything will be from a project perspective. It's not like I have any PPT or I will go through that. The entire course is purely hands-on. If I will start in a topic, I will directly jump to the hands-on part of it because when you will appear for interviews, the interviewers will ask you directly hands-on question. Okay. And the session is fully interactive. You have full freedom to ask question at any point of time. We'll never tell you you have to ask question at the end of the session. You can ask question at any point of time. Okay. So this was about the syllabus. Just a minute. Yeah. May I request everyone to go on mute, please? Okay. And then we have the file handling. In the file handling, you will be discussing the different types of file handling. Like if you're receiving the source file from the source stream, which have the transactional data. So how you have to read that file, how you have to load data, okay, how you have to write content in a file, okay, many other file handling features will be handled. And if the file handling is throwing any error message, then how to handle it, okay. Then object-oriented programming. all those things like polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulations. Okay, these all things will be covered, and this is very important from interview perspective. Okay. Then we have about email automation, like how you can trigger an email with the help of Python. Okay. Because either you're working as a data analyst or you're working as a data engineer. This is a very important aspect because if you're generating reports or if you have created pipelines, so you have to send some notifications to the stakeholders, right? So how you will send that? That is through email automation. So this is also will be covered. Okay. And then pandas and NumPy, especially for data analysts, this will be covered in detail. Apart from this, many other small topics are also there. Like we have the concept of generator, lambda function, list comprehension, for loop. Maybe all those things are not mentioned here, but all those things will be covered in detail. Okay. So this is the syllabus, and this will be purely based on the real-time project. I repeat, we're not going to cover those things theoretically. Everything will be pure hands-on. Okay. But I will make sure each and everything should be made clear to you. And that is why you have full freedom to ask question at any point of time and at any and whatever the frequency may be. Okay. And I will strongly recommend everyone to make the session interactive. Okay. So that's all from my end. Now, do you have before you start the session, do you have any question? And okay, one more thing. This course is ideal for those who are either preparing or working as a data analyst, or you're working as a data engineer, or SQL ETL developer, okay, then ETL or database tester. If anyone is working on this job profile, or maybe you're preparing for it, so Python is like the bread and butter. Okay. Now, what are your expectations from this course? Or do you have any question before I start? Any question?
Yeah, hi, Khan. Is it
Yeah.
suitable for AI, ML, and data science?
AI/ML, one thing I want to tell you, the special thing about Python is the different enriched set of libraries. Okay. If you're going for AI/ML, then you have different set of libraries. But irrespective of libraries, whatever you are studying, first of all, you should know the basics of Python. Okay. So once you know the basics of Python, then you can explore any library. So we'll be teaching you pandas,
मेरा उठा दो
NumPy,
इधर
Matplot, SMTP. Okay, but irrespective of the job profile in which you're working, you can use. I'm getting background noise. Admin, can you please mute everyone?
Sir, you are on your host now, so you can control from your end. You can mute everyone now.
Okay, thanks. Sir. Thank you. Humble request, everyone, please be muted if you're not speaking, and please don't draw anything on the board. Just a minute, I have to delete this. Just a minute. Yeah, oh, nice. Okay. Please don't draw anything on the board. Yeah. So if you're preparing for machine learning, so like because right now I'm doing my MTech in machine learning only. So for that also you should know NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, okay, and then TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and all those things. Okay. But for all those things, first of all, you should know the basics of Python, that how it works, what are the data structures, how the object-oriented programming works here, what are the conditional statements, right? Then on top of that, you can learn any library. Hope I answered the question. Any other question, anyone?
Hi sir, do we connecting to databases and working on the
Yeah, and
that
we will be giving you 5 hour recording, okay, of the real-time data analyst project. There we will be showing you how you can connect. But once the course is completed, there as well I will show you how with the help of Python you can connect, because that is a core task for if you're working in the Python role. because you have to connect with the database and you have to fetch data and then you have to do analysis. That will be covered. We'll show you that. Okay.
Yeah,
Someone
thanks.
has mentioned, okay, no problem, that I also not required NumPy, but NumPy will be covered. Pandas, NumPy, this will be covered. Loop and conditional statements, Neetu Kumari, yes, it will be covered in detail. Various domains in respect to Python and also salary range. See, salary range, it depends on your profile as well and the experience, but typically it starts from 8 LP or 10 LP if you are a fresher. Okay, and then Ayan Khan, can you go on mute, please?
शाम में फ्री है कि नहीं आज
Okay. So yeah. So if you're starting as a fresher, so maybe like you will get around 8 LP or 10 LP, but it's still like I cannot commit any number. Okay, that is the standard. And maybe it can go to 18 LPA, 30 LPA. One of my student, he got 28 LPA just with 2 years of experience. It depends on your expertise and how strongly you're convincing your interview during interview process. But yes, on an average, I can tell like you can get 14, 15, something like that. Okay. Farsi is asking, sir, is it still worth to learn Python? Why not Farsi? Python and SQL are the bread and butter these days in IT industry. Without this, it is very difficult to survive if you're working in the technical role. See, if you're working as a data analyst, you cannot do everything with the help of SQL. If you're receiving source file from the source stream, so how you will load it, correct? Then pandas, NumPy, how you will do the analysis? You need Python. And if you're working as a data engineer, if you have to create pipelines without Python, how you can create? So there is no doubt that SQL and Python, they both are bread and butter these days in IT industry. You go for any job profile which is related to data. Okay. These two things you should know. SQL and Python. No compromise with this. Okay. Then Prince Kumar, you're asking, you have a question. Yeah, please go ahead. What question you have?
Good evening, sir. Sir,
Yeah, good evening. Yes, please.
as you mentioned in the screen that you designed this course for data analytics or data engineering SQL developer. As I
Hmm.
am belonging from sir cyber security background, is it
Hmm.
relevant to take this course for cyber
It will
security
be
or it is?
more than enough for you. It will be more than enough for you because for cyber security, we don't know that much advanced level of Python. Okay, especially for data analysts and data engineer. See, what is Python? First of all, you have to understand the core concepts of it. It has a lot of libraries, okay, which we will discuss, but it's not possible to discuss all the libraries. If you know few basic libraries and the basic understanding of the Python, and then few advanced concepts on top of it, then you can explore anyone. Like suppose when you are solving some questions in algebra, right? If you can solve few questions and few advanced questions, then you will get a better idea, and then you can solve any question, right? So that is what I'm telling. If you know the basics of Python, the basic things like object-oriented programming, data structures, and advanced concepts like different libraries, then you can explore any other library as well. Okay. Have I answered the question, please?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, no problem. So Sanka is asking, I'm a retired and non-techie and MBA with 40 years of corporate experience in business development. At present, doing data analyst course for freelancing consultancy, second source of income. I appeal to kindly make 3 MI for that so that I can join your course. Maybe Sasanka, our team will connect with you, or maybe you can ping them directly. I'm not sure if we have the TMI option. You can connect with us. Okay, I think you are in the WhatsApp group. You can find the admin number there, or if anyone has any other question which you cannot ask directly or any other question, you can ping to the admin of that particular group and raise your concern. If we can solve it, we'll work on it. Okay?
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Yes, please.
Sir, actually, I'm a very senior management professional and I am
Mm-hmm.
passionate to go through your course because I have learned a lot through website of your esteemed organization. But sir, I
Mm-hmm.
cannot afford right now looking to my
Mm-hmm.
financial limitation. If you can, sir,
No
make it
issues.
3 MI,
Mm-hmm.
I'll be grateful to you with folded hands. that you
Thanks.
allowed me to be educated, sir. It's my
Thanks a lot, sir.
humble
Thanks
appeal
a
to you.
lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for that. For sure, we will do something. Don't worry. Okay, we
Sir,
will do
can you
something, and
help
I really
me?
appreciate.
I'll be grateful to you.
Sure, sure, sure. We will do something for you. Don't worry. Okay, we'll do something for you,
Sir, I
and I really
promise you,
appreciate. Hmm,
sir, I
That
promise
is
you, I
fine.
am
That is fine.
truly passionate about Python.
Great, great, great. I think you know the power of it. That is why you are passionate, and I really
Ye-
appreciate. Okay, you have this much years of experience, and still you are learning. That is really a great source of inspiration for each one of us. That's great. And please don't worry, sir. Our team will connect with you, and we'll do the whatever we can do best for you. Okay, please don't worry about it. Okay.
Kindly, sir, kindly, because I am doing the business analytic course. So
Mm-hmm.
this Python will help me to be a
Okay.
freelancer or consultant, and I can have my
Sure.
second source of income. And it is the
Sure. Sure.
last part of my life. I
Hmm.
want to do something, sir.
Great. 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 Much appreciated. Much appreciated. We'll
Kindly,
do. We'll do for
kindly
you.
support me, sir, to be
Sure.
your
Sure, sir.
Laurent student.
Sure, sir. Will do for you. Sure.
Kindly, sir. I am grateful to you once again and
Okay.
to your
Mm-hmm.
organization.
Great,
And
great. Thanks
God
a
bless
lot.
you
Thanks
all.
a lot.
God bless you all.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank
No
you, sir.
issues. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Shami is asking, without experience and career gap, member has a chance to get job in Python. You see, uh, again, I repeat, like SQL and Python, these both are like bread and butter. Okay. And maybe sometime you have this question without experience, but still there are many companies, okay, which are looking for fresher, or maybe like you are thinking, okay, I have 4 years or 5 years of experience, I have worked in a non-technical role, then can I switch into the technical role and can I work as a data analyst or data engineer? If you're thinking in this way, so what you have to do in your resume, you have to mention that you are working as a data analyst. Because whatever I'll be covering in this course, that will be purely based on the real-time project examples. Suppose if I'm teaching you list data structure in Python or object-oriented programming like inheritance or any other topic. So directly I will explain you how this is used in project so that you will feel the topic. Oh, if I'm reading this topic, if I'm studying this topic, so this is where this is used in project. Okay. So then if you're appearing for interview and when you will answer the questions what interview will ask with the real-time project examples, they will trust you. If someone knows this in detail, they must have worked in the project, irrespective of the fact that maybe you have not worked. So that is what you have to do. Okay. So you have to understand, that's what I'm telling you. You have to understand, you have to attend the course regularly and raise question if you have any doubt. Okay, we will never ask you to wait till the end and then ask question. You can ask question at any point of time. Okay. Then Varsha is asking, what are the
Hello.
job domains? Yeah, yes, please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Uh,
Good evening. Good evening. Yes, please.
I
Hello.
just completed my degree in BSc in computer science through. Hello,
Mhm.
am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
you're
I just
audible. You're
completed my
audible.
graduation in
Hmm.
2025 in a
Hmm.
BSc in computer science through a Tier 3 college.
Mhm.
I want to pursue career in sport analytics. Can you tell me a little? I don't have a proper exposure in that. I just
Okay.
started learning Python and all. Yeah.
Okay. See, these days
Um,
analytics is yeah. So these days analytics is something which is used in any business domain, whether it is healthcare, life science, e-commerce, social media, any other of finance world, insurance, because everywhere we are getting huge volume of data, right? So now how you can
yeah.
handle that huge volume of data, how you can process it, how you can analyze it so that you can share the reports with the stakeholders. So that's the reason nowadays each and every company they are looking for data analysts who can analyze the huge volume of data. Okay, irrespective of the background you are, or it's not like earlier we used to have data analysts. or the risk analyst, financial analyst, especially for the finance project. But that's why now each and every business, I'm giving you example of hospitals, Medanta, Fortis, they also have a data analyst because they want to understand how many patients have visited, with which disease, what is the recovery rate, they are from which state, which country. Okay. That is where a lot of data is there, and they want someone who can analyze it. Okay. And sports as well. Okay. So it's not like earlier it was a scenario like we need data analyst only in the finance domain, because generally in finance we used to have a lot of data, right? But you're working in any domain, we need data analysts. Why? The straight answer is we're getting huge volume of data getting generated. You all can imagine the volume of data which is getting generated on Amazon or Flipkart or any social media platform, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. Now they want someone who can analyze the data, right? Then only the stakeholders, CTO, CEO, they can make some business decisions, right? That is why they are looking for data analysts and data engineers, because data engineers are the one who will load the data, and the data analysts will analyze the data. Then machine learning engineers will create the models so that it can predict the market movement, right? So that is why I'm not telling only for Python, SQL and Python both. It will open doors for a lot of job opportunities for you. But the thing is, you should not have only theoretical knowledge. You must be having practical and hands-on knowledge with the real-time project examples. And you should know a
Sir,
particular, yeah, Shubham.
uh, as a basic CS student from a tier 3 college,
Mhm.
uh, my degree will be a problem or something like
No, no.
to get a job.
BSc will not be a problem, but yeah, the problem will come when you will go for promotion. Generally, I have seen those who are from the BSc background, they will get a job. Okay. But the problem is in promotion, or maybe the salary hike will not be that much great. To be honest here, okay. What you can do,
Okay,
that's good. You have done BSc in computer science. So simultaneously go for a master degree as well. Okay. If you're doing MSc in computer science, or if you're going for any other master degree, let's say MCA, that will be equivalent to BTech then. Okay.
okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Any other? Okay, no problem. Any other question? Anyone?
Hi, sir.
Hi. Yes, please
Sir,
go ahead.
this said, sorry.
Sir,
Uh, yeah, yes, please go ahead.
I'm studying 11th, sir.
Okay.
I want to success in my career.
Okay. You're studying in 11th. What next you want
Yes,
to
sir.
do? Means, do you have any plan after your plus two or PUC? What next you want to do?
I want to do BTech in CSE. Is a correct choice
Okay.
for IT career, sir.
See, one thing I will tell you. Currently in IT industry, most of the projects are based on data. I repeat,
Okay, sir.
currently in the IT industry, most of the projects you go for any company are based on data, because we have data everywhere. Data
Yes,
is
sir.
the new oil. And a very simple example I will give you, Shrikant. The same thing I quoted. Amazon, Flipkart, any e-commerce application. Can you imagine the volume of transaction happening on a daily basis? Social media
Okay.
applications, lot of transactions are happening on a daily basis, right? We're getting lot of
Yes,
data
sir.
from sensors, satellite, and many other applications are there, sources are there, which are generating data. So plan
Yes, sir.
for something which can help you to work in the data related project. Your machine learning, what it is all about data, artificial intelligence, all about data, how your chat GPT is working. At the back end, it has been fed with huge millions and millions of data. That is why ChatGPT is giving you those responses. It's not like some magic is going on at the back end, right? So that's what currently the entire IT industry is working on data. And because you are in 11th, so I will strongly recommend you to focus more on mathematics as well. Because when you will go for data science or machine learning, okay, it's purely based on mathematics. Especially you should know statistics, algebra, calculus, vector, 3D. At least these things you should be clear. And really appreciate you are starting early. So you, of course you will get some age once you will complete your BTech. But by then, you should be strong in SQL, you should be strong in Python. And if you get a time, then explore the world of data engineering as well, like how Azure works, how AWS works. At least the basics of it, you should know. Okay, fine
Mr.
then.
Rajesh Kumar, this side, Sasanka
Hmm,
again.
yeah, yes, please,
Sir,
sir.
actually, sir, after coming across your ad in the Instagram, I
Hmm,
checked in the website, and by this time I am so passionate. I have collected more than 300 questions, basic
hmm,
to
hmm, hmm,
advanced questions on Python for the interview chat. And
hmm.
actually, the Instagram, your ad was so alluring and so expressive. I really want to join your course and kindly
Sure,
consider
sir.
my appeal.
Hmm.
And I'll be
Sure,
grateful to
sure.
you, sir.
I told you,
Thank you, sir.
it will be considered. It will
Thank
be
you, sir.
considered, not an issue.
Thank you,
It will
sir.
be
Thank you, sir.
considered. Okay.
Thank
Any
you,
other
sir.
question? I want to start the course now. We have hardly 45 minutes or 30 minutes left.
Sir, I got
Lot
a
of
doubt.
yeah. Please go ahead. Any other
Sir,
question?
why we learn Python and tell
Why we
about
learn
some
Python?
Python?
Okay, good. See, if your question is, okay, Python is like a programming language. We have many other languages as well. Then why I should learn Python? The very straight answer is
Yes, sir.
Python has a lot of libraries. Like suppose if I will ask you, why do you want a smartphone? Why not that handset, that button mobile which we used to have during Nokia era? You remember that, right? So the
Yes,
very
sir.
straight
It
answer
has
you can
many
give is,
programs.
okay, so you can tell that in the smartphone we can have lot of apps. Many other things are there in a
Yes, sir.
smartphone, but the very
Application.
straight answer is you can tell we can have lot of apps in the smartphone, right? Similarly, in Python, you have
Yes, sir.
lot of library which can do the task very easily for you. Okay. Especially
Okay.
if you're dealing with the data analysis, data loading, data manipulation, you can do very easily with the help of Python. That is why suddenly Python got momentum. Actually, Python was invented in 1990s. Okay. Till
Okay.
till 2005, it was not that much famous. Okay, all I can tell till 2010, it was not that much famous. But because of the birth of big data, okay, then people started adopting Python. Okay, and currently, if anyone wants to work in the IT industry, SQL and Python, both you have to be strong. Okay,
Yes, sir. Why not C++? plus plus?
C++ is purely a programming language. Okay, it doesn't have that capability to deal with the data, right? So
Oh, okay,
that's
sir.
why we are going for Python. Good question, very good question. That's why we need Python. But if you're going for BTech or your plus two, you have to learn all those languages: C, C++, Java, .NET, everything. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
that is not that much needed these days in the IT industry. I'm not telling that the demand is over. No, we still have a demand. But SQL and Python are the market leaders as of now in the world of programming. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Fine
Thank you,
then.
sir.
No issues. So fine then. Let me start. Okay. Any other question? Any last question? Anyone? Let me start the course now. Okay. So that at least you can understand that how I'm teaching, how is my teaching style, and all those things. Okay. Now, when you have to code, when you have to write code in Python, so we have Anaconda. Okay, and it's very simple. You can easily install it. You can pre-download it from Google. Just go to Google Chrome and write download Anaconda. You will get a link, download it. Once you will download it, it will be installed in your machine. Okay, in your computer, and it will be something like this. We have a recorded link. I will share that with you. It's very simple. you can download this and on it. Okay. You can find multiple options are there, but you don't have to worry about it. Why we have a lot of options. To write Python code, we need this one, Jupyter Notebook. So what is the step one? You have to download this from Google Chrome or any other browser, then install it, and then when you will launch it, you will get this page. Okay. Then you have to click on this launch button. Okay. Once you click on it, a new page will open on Google Chrome or maybe Microsoft Edge. Okay. Let me show you that. You will get something like this. Can you see this page? Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, it's visible, sir.
Faizan, do you have any question? You have raised the hand.
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask that the better
Hmm.
platform isn't it Visual Basic, Visual Studio Code.
There also you can try. We have Google Colab, we have PyCharm Professional. So you can try on any platform. I will show you all those platforms. Okay. Actually, we have only 30 minutes left, so I just want to show you some coding part. All those platforms I will show you in the day one class. Okay. But I'm showing you that this is also one of the platform where you can write Python code. Okay. You can also practice on PyCharm. Then we have browser-based Google Colab. You can practice there as well. Okay. So, okay, you will get this page. Then can you see this new button, right? When you click on this, you will see something like Python 3. Actually, I downloaded it long back. So maybe when you will download it and when you will install, maybe you will see here Python 3.5 or Python 4. I'm not sure. Maybe if they have upgraded. So please don't get confused. During the class, it was Python 3, and in my computer, it is coming as Python 4 or any other version. Okay? Because it's an open source, so maybe they would have upgraded. You can find some new number. So don't get confused with them. You have to click on it. Once you will click on it, you will get a new page. You can see a lot of options are present here. We will discuss all these things one by one. Okay? You can also rename this. Like here, the file name is untitled 4. If you want, you can rename this to any other whatever you want. Suppose I will give the name Python dim. And one more thing, each and everything, whatever I'm covering today, okay, it will be shared with you after the class. So please don't make a note of anything. Listen to my lecture. And if you have any question, please ask. Okay. This is known as a cell. Here we will start coding. So the very first code is I will write print hi. Print statement is used to display something, or it is used to print some message. This is a keyword in Python. The moment you will write print, Python will understand your user wants to print something. User wants to display some message. So within print, if I have written hi, so the Python will understand your user wants to print the message hi. But this has to be in inverted quotes. You see, I've written this hi in inverted quotes. It is mandatory. Now see, I'm executing it. To execute it, can you see this run button? So click on this and this will be executed. You're getting the hi message. Very simple, right? Now suppose in this piece of code, if I will remove this inverted quotes, okay. And then now if I'm executing it, let's check it. It is throwing error message. Why it is throwing error message, anyone? Any idea why it is throwing error message?
Because there's no
Double quotes are
quotes, it's
removed.
not in quotes, it's not there.
Correct. Because within print, whatever you type, if it is a message that has to be in inverted quotes, if you will not write inverted quotes, Python will throw error message. So you have to strictly follow the rules and regulations of Python. If you're not following it, Python will throw error. Second point, Suppose this piece of code, I have written it here. I have just written this P in uppercase, right? You could see here P is in uppercase. Now I am executing it. Click on the run button. Now again it is throwing error message. The reason is Python is case sensitive with the keywords. I mean, this print which I have written in lowercase, it has to be in lowercase only. If you're writing this in uppercase, like here I've written this P in uppercase, it's not allowed. That is why Python has thrown error message. Is this clear? Any questions so far?
Sir,
Yes, please go.
is Python having any files, header files like C++?
Header files, it
Yes, sir.
can handle the files, which we'll discuss at a later point of time. Okay, that will be a different topic of discussion, and I've shown you that in syllabus. We have that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
So what I taught you here, Python is case sensitive with the keywords. Like this print, I have written in lowercase. It has to be in lowercase only. If you will write anything in uppercase, like I've written P in uppercase, it is throwing error message. So you have to be very careful with this. Okay.
So
Now, not only, yes, please.
uh, we can mention int values also in double quotes or only number.
I will come to that. Just give me a few minutes. I'm just coming to that example now. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Now, suppose if I'm writing print John. Okay. So here, am I following all the protocols of Python here? Is everything correct here? Print is in lowercase. Is this correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Message is in inverted quotes. Yes. So everything is
Yes.
correct. Now let me run it.
Yes.
I'm getting the output. So any programming language, you have to first of all understand their protocols, the rules and regulations. Generally, candidate they get afraid of any computer programming language because it throws error message. Why? Because you are not following the rules and regulations. If you follow the rules and regulations, they will never throw error message. Like suppose I am showing you this example. Now here, this is not a word. This is a sentence. So anything if you're writing within print, whether it is a word or it is a sentence, that has to be in inverted quotes, complete thing. So here today is Sunday. Everything is in inverted quotes. Now see, I'm executing it. I'm getting the output, right? Now the same thing, if I'll write in this way, what will be the output now?
John.
What will be the output?
It's be an
It
error.
will, it will throw error. Why? Because you have written something within print and it is not in inverted quotes. So it will throw error. You're getting
Yes.
error, right? So this was about basics of print. And actually this print has many other scenarios, many other flavors, which we'll discuss in this course. But this is just the basics of it, that how the print works and how you have to display the message. Now, we'll discuss a little bit about variables. What is a variable? And see, if I'm giving a hash here, it means it's a comment. Comment means this will not be executed by Python. Python doesn't have to execute it. Now, what is a variable? Variables are not specific to Python only. Don't think, oh, variables are only in the world of Python. We have the concept of variables in C. We have the concept of variable in Java, Unix, everywhere. So what is a variable? Variable is like a container. If I have to explain in a very basic manner or in the layman term, I will tell that variables are like containers. Containers means where you can store something.
Done.
Okay. Or if I have to explain in a much simpler way, or if I have to explain this to a school student, I can tell bag is an example of variable. Why? Because in bag you can store something. Correct? your wardrobe. Is this an example of variable? Yes.
The
We can keep our clothes here. So that's also an example of variable. So anything, any container where you can store something, that's an example of variable. Similarly, in the world of Python, we have the concept of variable. It means where we can store something. Suppose if I am writing age equals to 40, what it means? It means I'm telling to Python. Let me show you this on an Excel sheet. Is my Excel visible to everyone?
yes, sir.
If I've written age equals to 40, what it means? It means I'm telling to Python to please allocate our memory to this variable age. And within this, I want to store the value 40. So within this age variable, you will get 40 stored or assigned. And this will get a memory allocation. This will be present in the memory, right? That's why if I will show you this, suppose I have written age equals to 40. Okay. So here, what is the variable? Age or 40? Which one?
Age.
Age is the variable. Very good. And what is the value?
40.
40.
40 is the value. So when you write age equals to 40, it means in memory, in your temporary memory, you are getting the value 40 assigned to this variable age. Is this clear? Yes. Now, if you will ask Python, suppose if you'll write print age. Now listen carefully. I need full concentration here. Listen carefully. If I will write print age, then what will happen?
40 will
So
print.
far,
40 will be
so
printed.
far, so far, I have taught you if within print, if you write anything that has to be in inverted quotes, yes or no? Have we discussed that? Correct? Like here, I have
It will
written,
it will give error,
hold on,
sir.
hold on. I'm not looking for any response. Hold on. 1 minute. Like when I have written print I have not kept it in inverted quotes. It has thrown error message, correct? Similarly, you can think or you can ask a question that this age is not in inverted quotes, so it should throw error, right? Now see,
No.
what happens actually at the back? Listen, listen to me first. When you are writing print age, what it means, if within print, if you're writing something, and if it is not in inverted quotes, then Python assume that as a variable. Like here, this age, you have not written this in inverted quotes, correct? Then Python will assume this as a variable. And Python will start searching this variable age in the complete temporary memory. Where is age? Where is age? Where is age? And if it is able to find it out, do you have the variable age in the memory? Yes or no? Yes, we have the variable age, right? Then it will check the corresponding value. What is the value? Value is 40. Then it will print it. But suppose, listen carefully. Suppose if I'm writing print John, then what will happen? Don't directly jump to the output. What will be the output? No. Try to understand what is happening at the back end. When you're typing print John, what is the meaning of this? Try to understand that. When you're typing
Yeah.
print John, so Python will check that this John is not in inverted quotes. Then Python will treat this as a variable. And Python will start searching this in the entire memory. But have you defined John in the memory anywhere as a variable? Have you defined it? Of course, no, you have not defined it, right? So that is why Python will tell, okay, sorry, John is not defined. Now is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now is this clear? But the moment
Yes.
you will keep this John in inverted quotes, okay? Like suppose, take this example, same example, I will copy and paste here. I will keep this age in inverted quotes. Now what will be the output of this code? Tell me. If I will execute this code, what will be the output now?
It will print age.
Age.
It will print age, correct? But why? Here
Because
it appears, that this age is a variable, but the moment you will keep it in inverted quotes, it will become message. It will be treated as a message. Although you have defined this as a variable, but the moment you will keep it in inverted quotes, it will become a message. And it will display that as a message. So now you're getting age as it is because Python is treating this as a message, but not as a variable. So is this clear how Python treat print as a message and as a variable? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay, good, perfect. Now, another example. Suppose I have written here, similarly, if I have written weight equals to 60, print weight, what will be the output?
60.
60.
60. Okay, don't you think this is a message?
No, because
No.
No,
Why?
sir.
patients are not there.
Because within
Weight is
print,
defined.
this is no. No. Because within print, don't tell if you have defined this, so it will become variable. No. Within print, whatever I have written, is this in inverted quotes? Answer yes or no.
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 No. So one
Yes.
thing is damn sure that this is not a message. Then Python will treat this as a what?
Variable.
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 And then it will start
Very
searching, okay, have you defined this variable anywhere? Now tell me, have you defined this variable?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have defined it here. It means in the memory somewhere you have defined weight equals to 60. Correct? Then Python will search it and then it will print the value 60. You have to understand the flow. Don't directly mug up, okay, it has been defined, so this is the output. If it is in quotes, then it will be message. No. Try to understand how it is treating it. Now, suppose, let's take another example. If I have written age equals to 40 and age equals to 50, now what will be the output for this?
So it will throw an error.
50.
50 and then someone told error. Any other thought?
Both
That is fine. Don't hesitate.
40 and 50.
40 and 50 both?
50.
Yes.
50.
50.
Okay. 50,
40 and
40,
50.
50, error message. Oh, good. Don't hesitate. Whatever is coming in your mind, share your thoughts. Everyone here has come to learn only. Okay, no one is expert in
It,
Python. Okay.
it will print
Now,
nearby 50.
okay, good. Now let me explain. Try to understand how Python will treat it. Forget about the output. Now let's analyze this. First of all, age equals to 40. What is the meaning of this? It means I am telling to Python, please allocate memory to a variable age. Correct? So Python will allocate memory to this variable age. And here what you want to store? 40, right? At this point of time, we are storing 40 in this variable. This step is clear to everyone? This is
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, then Python will go to the next line. Here you have mentioned age equals to 50. Now, what is the meaning of this? It means you are telling to Python, please allocate 50 to a variable age. So here Python will see already this variable age has means memory has been allocated to this variable age. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then Python will see the value is 50. So from this Python will understand now user wants to allocate 50 to this variable age. So what Python will do, it will go to this memory location age, and in this 40, now it will update this with 50. So the current value in age will be 50. Listen carefully. Don't just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Hold on, everyone. Listen, the story is not over. We have few more concepts to
Yes, sir.
listen here. Few misconceptions I'll be covering now. So please listen carefully. So now see, I am executing it. The output is 50, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
many times when I ask this question in interview, whatever you people told no, same response I will get. Few people will tell I will get more, both 40 and 50. Error message, 50, many different responses. That is fine, not an issue. But you should know how it is getting executed. Age equals to 40. First of all, 40 was allocated to the variable age, which is correct. But then you have written age equals to 50. It means you are telling to Python, please update the value in the variable age with 50. So now this age will be holding the value 50. Is this point clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And that is
Sir,
why you
repeat
got
again.
the
Repeat
output 50.
again.
Okay.
Sir,
I
repeat
will
again.
repeat it. I will repeat it. When we have written age, okay, let me start from the scratch. Listen. When I have written age equals to 40, what is the meaning? I am telling to Python, okay, please allocate a memory to the variable age, and within this store 40. Is this point clear to everyone? First of all, 40 will be stored in this variable age. You all agree?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then Python will go to the next line. Here Python will see age equals to 50. From this Python will understand now the user wants to update the value in the variable age with 50. So at this point of time, Python will search for the variable age, and he will find, oh, this variable age is sitting here. So what is the value? 40. But what user wants now? 50. So it will update this with 50. That is why the
Got it, sir.
updated value of age is 50. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, not clear,
Yes,
not
sir.
clear.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, I think it is still not clear. Let me give you one example. Suppose I am selling dosa. I am selling dosa at 100 rupees. Okay. Then I thought, 100 rupees is not sufficient. Let's increase the price. What I have done in my menu card, I mentioned dosa equals to 120. Don't you think if I will write in this way, the customers will get confused what is the price of dosa, 100 or 120? Don't you think they will get confused?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
Yes,
no?
they will get, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So what
Yes.
I should do
Yes.
here? Directly I will go to this 100 and I will update this to 120. Now there will be no
20.
confusion. Tell me.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
No
sir.
That
confusion.
is what your Python is doing here. Same thing your Python is doing. Nothing new. Now got it? Now got it?
Got it, sir. Got it.
Okay. Good. Now, many a times when I asked this question in interview, many candidates they replied this. They told me कि first of all age will be there, then 40 will be assigned, and then 50 will be assigned. No, this is the wrong explanation. This is similar to you are telling that dosa you are selling at 100 and next day you increase to 120. So you are keeping both the prices. So don't you think customers will get confused here, right? So that is why Python will update with the latest or the current value. But this explanation, many times I ask this question. So participants told when I ask this, when I take an interview, I ask this question, "Okay, what will be the output?"
Sir,
Many
could you please
candidates
explain this
told,
referencing once again?
which one? From here.
Yes, I got disconnected.
Maybe Anil, you can go through the recording, yeah, okay, because again it will kill time for everyone. Okay, please
Okay,
go
so
through the
where can I get
recording,
the
and if it
recording? Could you
is,
please tell?
it will be shared in another 30 minutes or 1 hour. Recording will be shared with you. Still, if it is not clear, you ask me in the next class. I'll be more than happy to repeat it. Okay, and
Okay,
this
so
is the
means where
demo
can we
class
get the
only.
recording? In mail or any link something? That would be
You
helpful.
are in the group, WhatsApp group.
Yes.
It will be shared there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So many a times I used to ask this question, ki what will be the output of this code? Many students will tell, ki, sir, it will be 50. Okay. Then I will ask you, okay, how it is getting executed at the back end? They will explain me, ki age will get the value 40, then value 50. Because this is the latest value, then it is getting printed 50 here. But this explanation is totally wrong. It is not happening, boss. Maybe you are telling the output is correct, but your understanding is wrong. This is not happening at the back end. At the back end, it is getting updated with the latest value. Don't think it is holding both the values. No. Is this clear?
Yes,
No,
sir.
it's still not clear. It's still not clear, I think. No response. Okay, let me give you another example. Okay, what if I will write? Okay, 1 minute. Okay. If I will write age equals to 80, now what will be the output for this code? Tell me.
80.
80.
Okay, so 80. So you are telling in the age 40 will also be there, 50 will also be there, 80 will also be there, but 80 is the latest value. That is why it is printing 80. Is that your understanding?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Yes,
Then
sir.
then
Okay,
what?
sir.
What
Yes,
you are
yes.
thinking?
8 is the answer of this.
We
80
are
will
80
getting
bring
is
80.
the answer. That
He's
is
happy to
fine,
be the
yeah.
right
80 is the answer. But at the back
But
end in the variable age, what will be there? Only 80 will be there, or 40, 50, 80, all the values will be there. This is my
80
question.
will be
All
there. Only
80,
80 will be
80
there.
will be there.
Only 80 will be there. That is
bilkul
what
sir,
I
bilkul sir.
explained here. No, that is what I explained here. Okay?
Hmm.
That is what I explained here. Okay? So now I'm executing. You are getting 80. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Ji sir, ji
good,
sir.
good, good. Okay, now next example. Okay, let me show you
It
another
prints the
example.
largest
If,
value or latest value.
sorry,
It prints the largest value or latest value.
no, not largest value, sir. Not largest value, Shrikant. If age equals to 5, now tell me what will be the output. Shrikant will tell.
5.
5, sir.
5.
5.
5. So don't think the largest value it will take. No, the latest value will
Okay,
be
sir.
updated. Now in the age variable, it will be updated with the value 5. So now when I will execute, you will get the value 5.
Okay,
Is
sir.
that clear? So not up largest value or the least value, nothing like that. The latest value will be updated. So at this point of time, if I will ask you what you have in the variable age, you have to tell only 5, 40, 50, 80, everything is flushed. Nothing you have. I think still there is some
Okay,
confusion.
sir.
Let me give you another example. What will be the output for this code?
Sarah.
Sarah.
Wrong, wrong,
It will
wrong.
display
Sir,
name.
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 Oh,
So
yes,
It will
this is
print
in
name.
name.
inverted
It is
code.
in a bracket, it will go only with the print
This is
mode.
an inverted code. So this is a variable or message?
It's a message.
Message. So this is a message. So it is coming as a name, right? Okay. Now tell me, if I will remove the inverted quotes, now what will be the output here?
Sara.
Tara.
Sarah.
Correct. So in name variable, you have both John and Sarah, or you have only Sarah?
Only Sara.
Only Sarah. Okay. Chalo, fine then. I will stop here. Okay. I hope you all.
अगर दो सर दोनों excuse me sir.
Just one. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just let me complete. Just 1 minute. So yeah, it was just a demo class. Okay. So I completed from my end. Okay. Many other topics are there which will be covered, but hope you understood. And I know the pace was a little bit slow. I'm not sure, but I want to make sure that everyone should understand. And I really appreciate the session was interactive. You all have asked question. Now, just a minute. Just a minute. This has already been shared, but still I'm sharing with you. This is the course format. Hope it is visible to everyone. Okay. Class timing will be Saturday, Sunday, 9 to 11 a.m. IST. We keep limited students in each batch. I think approx 15 or 20 seats are already occupied. Anyway, so this is the class format. And if you want to connect, this is a number is also present here. Fine. Yeah. Now please go ahead. What question you're asking? Asking some question? Please go ahead.
सर अगर दोनों नाम एक साथ प्रिंट करने तो कैसे करेंगे उसका?
दोनों
अगर दोनों नेम एक साथ प्रिंट करने हैं, जैसे सारा का और जॉन का था, तो इनका एक साथ प्रिंट कैसे करेंगे?
हाँ, उसका है there is a concept known as SCD, slowly changing dimension, where you maintain the history. That is one way. Then you can store them in a list. That is what we will discuss in the data structures, list, tuple. Then that is also one technique you can use. You can store this. Then you can also store this with the help of for loop, list comprehension. Many such techniques are there, which we'll discuss. You can fish.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Fine then. All good, everyone? Perfect, great. So thanks a lot for joining the demonstration. So we'll start the course, I think 22nd November. Yes. Okay. So thanks a lot, everyone. We'll stop now. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Abhishek, you there, right?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay.
Let me just all right, so let me explain the details. Sir, you'll be here, right? You just share the screen. So we are taking only 30 students from the batch. The batch timing is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. It will start from 22nd of November. It is a 3 months course. You can check out the drive link. This is the payment link. And if you have any question, you can ping in the given number, right? And this particular PDF we have already shared. I'm sharing it again.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, those students who have taken a live session, the recorded session is also provided for them,
Yes,
or
yes, it is also provided. Yes.
okay, sir.
All right.
Hi, Abhishek.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I know Power BI plus SQL.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm planning to switch to data engineer, Azure data engineering.
Mm-hmm.
So in that demo, you told Python is not required. So do I need to learn basic Python, or I have to enroll this course? Because this
You
is a
can,
very
if
long
you
course.
learn this, like this is a long course, like suppose this is a weekend course only, so you can either get a recording of this that you can do, or you can also get the recording of SQL. So suppose if you are enrolling for Azure data engineering course, either you learn SQL or Python basics, right? And you can get the recording from us, or you can also learn it like by yourself if you want to. But
Okay,
learn
again,
only one tool, like one coding, either SQL and Python as of now.
but recent openings in Naukri, they are all asking, all are asking that PySpark. So
If you learn Python, you can manage with PySpark. It's same syntax. Nobody learns PySpark separately. Okay. So once
no,
you
no,
learn
what I'm,
Python, you can also work with PySpark.
no, you told no SQL is enough to start for the data engineering. So in interview, I can't tell I don't know Python, right? Then how to
You
manage
can
in
tell.
real time also?
You can tell. So
Real time.
suppose if you're telling, if you have less experience, you can tell this. You can tell that you know SQL and you know basics of Python.
Okay. No, that is interview part and real time. So if I want to survive that in that job, so Python is mandatory now. So
Do you know
what
SQL or
to
you don't know SQL?
I know is SQL,
You know SQL, then learn Python. If you know SQL, learn Python. If you don't know anything, then you learn one language. This is what I'm saying. Okay.
Okay, and last question. So in data engineering, Python is required for in AWS or Azure most of the time compared to both the cloud.
Come again. Say that again.
So in Azure or AWS,
Mhm.
so the requirement of Python in which cloud?
In both of the cloud, the Python is required. In Azure
Hmm.
as well, in AWS as well.
But compared to Azure in AWS is the requirement is more or
No,
it
no,
is less? How
no,
it?
no, it's not like that. It's the requirement is there in both of the cloud. The job is there in both of the cloud. Coding is required in also both of the cloud.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right, guys.
Sir,
Thank you so much for attending the class. Yes, anybody has any
Sir,
question?
besides Shashank sir, Ajay said I was going through the entire presentation. It was excellent of Mr. Kumar. And sir, my point of submission is that if I am a non-techie, I don't have the idea for the coding, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But this Python will, can I, with the AI assistant, can I move on with the Python study, sir?
Yes, you can move on. Yes.
Oh, no, no coding is required, sir.
Python is coding itself, right? You're learning coding itself here.
Yeah, okay. But and what about Azure AI?
First learn Python and then you can focus on other things. First learn Python. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what my appeal I had made it at the beginning of the
Yeah, you can reach
session
out to
to
our admin
Mr.
team and then they will help you out. Okay.
Kindly, sir, I'll be personally grateful to you.
Okay.
God
All
bless
right.
you all, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Anybody has any question?
sir, after completing 12th, which degree is useful in IT field?
Which degree? First of all, complete graduation, MCA, BTech, whatever you're doing. That you should complete first.
BTech is correct, but which course is useful for that?
Sorry?
In BTech, which course is useful for that IT fields?
Like the branch you're saying,
Yes, sir.
the computer science, IT, information technology. This is basically related to IT branches.
Is computer science and engineering is useful, sir?
Yes.
It may chance to join in Google companies.
If you learn, yes. If you invest time, yes.
Is possible, sir?
Everything is possible, brother, if you learn. If you learn,
Since
everything is possible, right? Just try to do graduation, try to learn, try to invest time. Everything is possible in this world. If you think
okay,
it's
sir, that
possible, okay?
in BTech, see computer science and engineering, then
Mhm.
master degree, what will I do?
Master degree, you basically choose a particular subject, you learn it further. Learning is an endless process, right? So you basically, after you complete your graduation,
Oh,
you learn masters as well to further learn it.
okay.
Okay, all right, guys. Thank you so much for attending the master class. See you around. Bye. If you're enrolled.
I have one question, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, suppose we are taking from Azure Data Engineering course, sir. In that course, are you teaching SQL and Python?
No,
So
SQL and Python we are not teaching in
how
that
to,
course.
we have to separately learn.
Yeah.
Separately we have to learn.
Yes, yes, you need to learn separately.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye.